Hi there and welcome back to another NJS instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to check and replace the spark plug on your lawnmower. Now for demonstration purposes we'll be replacing the spark plug on this particular lawnmower, which is powered by a Briggs & Stratton 158cc engine. However, the principles shown in this video will apply to most single-cylinder 4-stroke engines. Now this lawnmower is well over 9 years old and it has never had its spark plug replaced. Now according to the Briggs & Stratton Operator's Manual, the spark plug should be replaced annually, so it'll be interesting to see what it looks like after almost 10 years of operation. First thing is to ensure the engine is off and cool. Working on a hot engine could be dangerous, so always keep safety in mind. Now the spark plug is typically located on the front, but in some cases it might also be on the side of the engine. So once you locate the spark plug, remove the ignition lead that connects to the spark plug. Once removed, use a spark plug removal tool. So in this case we're going to use a 13/16 inch deep socket to remove this spark plug. And you're going to want to turn counterclockwise. So here's the original spark plug, which is a Champion RJ19HX. Now be sure to check the owner's manual to see which spark plug suits your particular engine. Now you'll see there's a bit of surface corrosion happening, which is not too bad after 9 years. And there's a little bit of carbon buildup, but overall it's actually not too bad. Now I've also got the brand new one, which is the equivalent spark plug, which we'll be replacing it with. So let's take it out of the packet and compare the two. So here are our two spark plugs. Obviously the right is the new and the left is the original. And because they're a like for like spark plug, there shouldn't be any issues with the fitment of them. Now the final thing we have to do before we install the new spark plug to the engine is to adjust this gap accordingly. Now according to the operator's manual, the gap between the spark plug electrode should be 0.03 or 30 thousandths of an inch. So using this coin, we're just going to slot in the spark plug tip there, and then we're just going to move it around until we actually measure 0.3. So we can see 0.3 there, which means that our gap is adjusted correctly. Now if we did need to adjust the gap, we can use this gap opener feature as well. So a very handy and very inexpensive tool. So now let's install our spark plug back into the engine. Now I always recommend that you do it with your fingers first to make sure that you've actually engaged the threads properly, and do it as much as you can, and this will help prevent any cross threading. Now we're going to use our socket tool to tighten this spark plug up. Now in order for it to seal properly, the owner's manual recommends a tightening torque of 20 Newton meters. Now you don't want to over tighten and actually break the spark plug. So that'll be tight enough for our application. So now that our spark plug has been tightened and is sealed, it's a good idea to always check the ignition lead, make sure that it's nice and clean, which in this case it is. So now we can just simply reattach it to the spark plug. Like that. Now I should have also mentioned that this spark plug cost me 13 Australian dollars from a hardware store, so fairly inexpensive too. So now that the ignition lead has been reattached, we'll start up the engine, we'll let it warm up a little bit and then go to full throttle, and we'll listen out for any anomalies. So there you have it. That's how you can replace the spark plug on your lawnmower. I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.